If you want to charge your Samsung A37 5G at the top speed, let me quickly explain how you can do this. First of all, you will have to go to the settings, go into the battery settings, and you have to make sure that you have enabled the fast charging and the charging settings. Now, as this smartphone supports 45 watts fast charging, you will have to get 45 watts charger or more powerful. For me, I'm using 125 watts charger, and this is actually made by Motorola. It's of course the original charger, but I'm also using not original cable from a Samsung, and here I have actually the 100 watt cable, and it will reach 45 watts, but only in the specific scenario when the battery is really low, like when it's like 0 to 15% or 0 to 10%, and when the battery is not hot. So when the battery temperature is low, then it will reach this charging speed. But if you were, for example, watching some videos on the YouTube or playing games and your battery drops to like 5% or even 0%, but you can still feel warm when you touch the back of your phone, then it will never reach 45%. Because the Samsung and other manufacturers only advertise the possible charging speed, the maximum possible charging speed, but it doesn't mean that your phone will always charge at the speed from 0 to 100%.